Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at Metrocentre. We're going to be seeing services from Northern only. So yeah, let's get into the video. Arriving now is a 12:28 Northern service from Hexham to Whitby. And this one is 158853. And departing out there is 158853 on a Northern service from Hexham to Whitby. Fortunately guys, there is quite a lot of cancellations on this line now. So I'll make sure I get this video done, and then I'll assess what I'm going to do from there. But yeah, it's due to the signal failure issues on this line, so it's causing a bit of issues. Arriving now is the 1304 Northern service from Holtshaw to Newcastle. Front is 158849. Get the rear as it departs. And departing out there is a 1304 Northern service from Holtshaw to Newcastle. And the rear of that is 156471. Train cancelled between Carlisle and Holtshaw due to a fault with the signalling system. Arriving now is the 1306 Northern service from Nunthorpe to Hexham. Do apologise guys, in the previous two clips I said Holtshaw and it's actually Holt Whistle. Really do apologise for that. And this one is 158861. Departing out now is the 1306 Northern service from Nunthorpe to Hexham. Arriving now is the 1329 Northern service from Hexham to Nunthorpe. And this one is 156479. Departing now is the 1329 Northern service from Hexham to Nunthorpe. Arriving in now is a severely delayed 12:44 northern service from Holt Whistle to Newcastle. And this is 156481 and is running about 50, that's 50 minutes late. Departing out now is the 12:44 northern service from Holt Whistle to Newcastle. And that train is departing out about 50 minutes late. Was cancelled between Carlisle and Holt Whistle due to a fault with the signalling system, and cancelled between Newcastle and Morpeth due to the delay that caused. Arriving now is the 13:44 northern service from Holt Whistle to Morpeth. And this is 156465. Departing out now is the 13:44 northern service from Holt Whistle to Morpeth. Arriving in now is the delayed 1406 northern service from Nunthorpe to Hexham. And this train is 156440. Departing out now is the 1406 northern service from Nunthorpe to Hexham. And this train is departing out about 14 minutes late. Arriving now is the 1429 northern service from Hexham to Nunthorpe. And this one is 158861. Departing out now is the 1429 northern service from Hexham to Nunthorpe. There it goes. And that is going to be the final train in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.